Living an intentional life means being prepared. So when I travel, I like to be prepared. So I thought today I would talk about my toiletry kit, what I have in here, what this bag actually is, why I carry what I carry, and how I keep it maintained. Everything in here stays in here before trips except one thing. I take the one thing out when I come back, and then I put the one thing in when I travel, which means I can leave really quick. It only has what I absolutely need, nothing more, but yet I'm prepared for anything. And I'm a man carrying this, no longer a boy. Have some class. Let's take a look at it. Here we are, turn around so you can see. The bag. It is a really nice, soft, leather, pebbled grain bag by Jack Spade. I've had this for a year. It's awesome. Kind of a hard bottom, which is really nice, but it's soft and pliable in a suitcase. It's got a great zipper. So here we go. We open it up. There's a small little compartment here where the first thing is I have some dental floss. I have lip balm. I have fingernail clippers just in case. I have small little tweezers just in case, great for splinters. I have a few Band-Aids as well as an alcohol wipe and hydrocortisone cream, one little single-use items. So I just shove those in there. I have acetaminophen, and that's it for up there. A lint roller. Have a little tiny lint roller. Very, very handy. The deodorant is the one thing that I take out when I return home and I put back in, because deodorant that stays in the bag gets a little crusty and not so great. In fact, I'm not going to talk about which one I use because this is a gold mine. I may do a video on this, but I'm going to get into that. I have some Q-tips. That's always important. I also have some flushable wipes. So just in case you need a little something, even blow your nose, clean something off that got dirty, that's handy. Toothbrush with a case. Little thing of toothpaste that I get at the dentist. When I go to the dentist and I get a new one, I'm usually throwing it in here. This is really good. This is a small little travel cologne, and it is my cologne, the one that I use all the time. So I've got several of these. Oh, it smells great. And basically you fill it with your big bottle. So in fact, I need to refill that. It's just got a little bit left. So travel cologne, you don't need to take the big bottle, take the little one. You get a stain, a Tide to Go stick. 70 SPF sunscreen. I also have a 50 SPF sports stick. This I will use on my face. Oh, there's another toothpaste. So that's a duplicate. I can get rid of that. A little bit of lens cleaner for my glasses and a lens cloth. A little bit of aloe. If you're going on vacation in the sun, you get a little bit too much, aloe. It's big. It's big, big, big. A little thing of Advil. Always make sure that these things are not expired. So I'm good on this for a little bit. Some Tums, same thing. Make sure they haven't expired. Razor and a trimmer to keep things looking sharp. And a little bit of some shaving cream. And earplugs. When I go to a hotel and it's a little bit loud, I want to have earplugs on hand. So with all of this, I can travel like that. It's all small size. It all fits in here. But it doesn't have to be the nice leather bag. It could be a canvas one, a nylon one. If you're an adult, use something adult and purposeful and as small as possible that you can fit everything in. If your particular bag can't hold all of this, I will take small little prescription Ziploc bags and just put a few Tums or a few Advil in, or just a few earplugs in, but write the expiration date if it's something that expires. So you can shrink this down even a little bit more if you want to. However, everything that I have here will fit, and I pretty much have everything covered here. As a special note, if I'm going hiking, camping, anything like that, I will not use this bag because I don't want to get it messed up. I will just use a Ziploc, a quart-size Ziploc bag, and throw what I need into that. Also, I usually carry a first aid kit when I'm hiking, camping, or doing any kind of travel where I think I'll need a first aid kit where I have more things. But if I'm just going to a city, going to a resort, staying in a hotel, I don't need my full first aid kit, but I do have the alcohol wipe, a little hydrocortisone, and some Band-Aids just in case thrown into this toiletry kit. So I'm gonna throw all this back in, zip it up, put it in my drawer, and it's ready to go for my next trip. I hope this helped. If you guys have thoughts on what I'm missing, throw it in the comments and let me know what you guys do. Happy travels.